The spatial computing revolution is undergoing a massive, silent mutation right now, and almost everyone is looking at the wrong set of headlines. When Apple first dropped the original Vision Pro, the entire world treated it like a hyper-expensive tech demo, a heavy, isolated luxury item meant for tech enthusiasts with cash to burn. But behind the walls of Apple Park, the real master plan was never about that first generation. It was a calculated setup. While the public debated the weight and the external battery pack, Apple's elite engineering teams were already weaponizing the feedback from thousands of real-world test cases to build something terrifyingly advanced. We are talking about the heavily classified, highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro 2. This is not just a standard iteration with a faster chip. This is a total infrastructural rewrite of how humans interact with reality itself. The supply chain data leaking out of manufacturing lines right now is absolutely wild, pointing to a radically redesigned headset that completely cures every single flaw of the first model while slicing the weight, multiplying the processing power, and integrating advanced cognitive AI that makes eye tracking feel like literal mind control. But why is Apple keeping the launch protocol under such aggressive lockdown? Because this specific device is designed to do something the first one couldn't. Completely replace your Mac, your iPhone, and your physical TV setup in one single seamless blow. If you are thinking about buying a high-end monitor, a flagship computer, or even investing in old-generation VR gear today, you are about to experience massive buyer's remorse. Stick with me, because we are about to tear apart the internal architecture, the jaw-dropping display breakthroughs that shouldn't even be structurally possible yet, and the exact psychological tricks Apple is using to ensure the Vision Pro 2 becomes the undisputed center of your digital life. To truly grasp why the Vision Pro 2 is causing massive panic across the entire tech sector, you have to look at the psychological barrier of the first device. The biggest complaint wasn't the software, it was friction. It was too heavy for long work sessions, it felt isolating, and the tethered battery pack felt like an old-school compromise. Apple didn't just tweak these issues, they completely engineered them out of existence. The core philosophy behind the Vision Pro 2 is absolute weightless immersion. The heavy aluminum housing has been completely replaced with a next-generation woven carbon fiber and magnesium alloy composite framework. This structural shift strips away a massive percentage of the front-heavy weight, completely rebalancing the center of gravity closer to your face. When you slip it on, the physical presence of the headset virtually vanishes, allowing you to stay submerged in spatial computing for hours on end without a single hint of neck fatigue. Let us look at the raw computational brain driving this spatial monster, because the silicon upgrades are completely unprecedented. The Vision Pro 2 is moving to a dual-chip architecture featuring an advanced M-series processor, paired with a heavily upgraded second-generation spatial coprocessor. This setup creates a massive, ultra-wide digital pipeline that processes visual data faster than the human brain can consciously register. We are talking about a total system latency of under 10 milliseconds. Every time you turn your head, every time you move your hand, the digital world responds with absolute, zero-lag fluidity. There is no motion blur, no micro-stuttering, and absolutely no digital lag to break the illusion of reality. The process